Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll show you how to reduce data usage while using Instagram. This is especially helpful if you have a limited data plan or you want to conserve mobile data while browsing Instagram. Let's dive right into the steps. First, open your Instagram app and go to your profile by tapping your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're on your profile, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. Next, scroll down until you see the section called How You Use Instagram and under this tap on Data Usage and Media Quality. In this section you'll see different settings that can help you save data. You can also find them by searching on the search bar for data usage. And you'll see click on data usage and media quality. The first option is use less mobile data. Toggle this on to reduce how much data Instagram uses when you're not connected to Wi-Fi. This will stop videos from preloading and make your browsing more data efficient. You can also reduce the media quality by adjusting the high quality media upload setting. Choose never or Wi-Fi only if you don't want high resolution photos and videos to upload while you're on mobile data. This reduces the amount of data used when uploading content. And finally, if you want to control how videos play on your feed, you can turn on data saver. This option prevents video from automatically playing in high definition unless you're on Wi-Fi. By tweaking these settings, you'll be able to browse Instagram without worrying about excessive data usage. And that's it for today's tutorial. If this helped you manage your data usage on Instagram, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Feel free to drop any questions or suggestions for future videos in the comments below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.